Hello 3rd grade and welcome to Social Studies for today. We're going to continue looking at democratic values. Let's quickly go through the democratic values that we've already looked at. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The way that people have the right to think and act the way that they want to. Common good. People are working together for the benefit of everyone, for the common good. Justice. That people are treated fairly by the government and law officials. Equality. All citizens should get the same treatment no matter their race, religion, or how much money they have. Diversity. Differences in language, dress, food, religion, and traditions should not only be allowed, but celebrated. And finally, we talked about patriotism. We can show loyalty or love for and a strong love of our country through our actions and words. We give an example of saying the pledge or the 4th of July. Now today, we are going to write a classroom policy we should have based on these core values. Common good, justice, equality, and diversity. Policy is another name for a law or rules. So classroom rules. So what is a classroom rule we could make that would create the common good so that everyone is treated equally? And we're working towards everyone's benefit. One thing we could do is clean up after ourselves. Go ahead and type that out in your class kick. Clean up after ourselves. The next one we can look at is justice. Is that if we get in trouble, that everyone has the same punishment. So maybe in the past, you have been on a 3-point rule. So first, you get a warning. Oops, sorry. It's not zooming in all the way. A warning. Second, you get a note home. Sorry, my writing was acting funny. And you can also write third, that you would get a write-up. So everyone would have those same 3 chances. What about equality? How can we make sure that everyone gets the same treatment, no matter their race, religion, or how much money they have? What is one classroom rule we can make that includes equality? So we can have every student have the chance to participate. Everyone has a chance to participate. Because equality even means that if someone is shy, they still have an equal opportunity to say their voice. So maybe we'd have them record on their own instead of saying it in front of a class. And finally, diversity. How can we celebrate that people are different in our classroom? We can share our differences in our close reads. We do that quite often when we share that maybe we don't know a word or that we use a different word at home. After you've written these out for these 4 classroom policies, I want you to think if there's anything else you can add to our classroom policy. We'll continue looking at core democratic values in our next lesson.